key. We're gonna go and check out the trunk. It got dropped off yesterday, and I put this cover over it because it's tagged. Oh damn, I'm not that tired. It's been really windy. So we're gonna end up doing it. I say fuck it. This is how bad I want to work on these cars. It's crazy actually. I'm almost done with one. I got all those parts, and this one has a lot of parts in the trunk and inside the cabin. See, the key right here. Boom! Damn, see all these parts. I just gotta go get them. You know, that's what I told myself earlier. So I was like, you know what, fuck it, let's make it happen. And now I'm right here getting them. I mean, this weather, it's been stopping me, but I just been trying to work on it. Because I got this one yesterday, anxious. I got all the parts on my E36. And then it started raining that day. And also that same time when I was out there just trying to get the parts for my E36. So I had a boogie. So that shit ended up bad because I didn't get everything I needed. But initially I really did. I'll explain later why. But so far, yeah, so I made a good thing. And something else completely bad. When I went to go get those parts for the E36, I had to drive about like 2 hours and stuff. Oh, it was all bad. Coming out here. Okay. It's tripping, dude. So those are E36 parts with an Audi engine cover. That is about it. No, it's nothing. Smooth this way. Yeah. Round 2. You know what's crazy? I really don't mind doing this. I just dropped the mirrors. Happy with it, my stealth, man. And also the trim too. Yeah, I should have stopped because it's fucking raining again. So another fender liner piece. There's another fender liner piece. I feel like they fucking boned me and just give me fender liner pieces. It made it seem like it was a lot. Damn it. And one of the headlights is broken. Actually, both of them. Oh, man. It's not looking good, ladies and gentlemen. But something is better than nothing. I got these pieces, you know. So, it's not a total loss. I get to save. I don't want to say how much, because if I say it, then it could be depressing. So, okay. That is it. Just plain plastic pieces, bro. Okay. And I left the trunk open. That is not good. Boogie. Come on. kind of shit is this? Okay, so no time to really chill. We got the headlights. They look pretty good. We'll see how it goes. We can probably weld them, plastic weld them. I mean. Those headlights. Go get the next. Whether it was the last things in the trunk or in the inside of the car. So we gotta get those pieces too. Yeah, this can wait. Yeah, all that can wait. Let's see if we got a spare. Yeah, we got that spare. We're trying to get this bumper out, man. Okay, let's see. Hopefully these seats work. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. It's pouring out here. That's what happens when you just get that freaking just urge to work on your car. Lights work. Pretty good. We got more space. Make sure we, oh yeah, we cannot scratch the leather. That's for sure. We're trying to do as much as possible to prevent any of those. Freaking cover in the door. Yeah, trying to prevent those. I'm gonna put you guys down because I ain't trying to mess this. Stupidity just struck me. I took my foot out in this little stream right here into the damn gutter. Damn, got me. But I'm thinking maybe we can salvage this bumper. Who knows? Look at it right there. You see the damage, but we'll see. What happens once we take a better look? Because oh, Jesus. That's a huge bummer. I was hoping to save some money. So that's not gonna happen. Yeah, those broken. Real. Some more pieces up here. make sure we tie this car down because we're gonna. I believe it was yesterday and the day before yesterday that it almost. We're gonna tie this car down. Give me a second. Let me tie this one down too. Okay. So these are the pieces for E36. Right there, right here. This is for the 250. Excited about this new build, no doubt about that. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. This one's gonna go to the body shop pretty soon, I believe next week. So look forward to seeing that finished. And yeah, it's 36. I got the headlight, I got the grill, hopefully they can salvage it. The hood, they should. This Defender was the only thing that was hit, and the fender rail was bent as well, so we just gotta get that straightened out, and then